How's it going, everyone? We're going to get started with some real mods on the Mustang today, and today's modification is going to be the most important mod I'm going to do to my Mustang ever. No, it's not the exhaust, although I do have an exhaust coming soon. No, it's not alloy wheels, although I do have some wheels in mind coming soon. And no, it's not a screaming supercharger, although I don't have any plans for a supercharger at all. The most important mod I'm going to be installing is these. Maybe I should have opened them before I started this video. Right, these are BMR Jacking Rails. The most important mod because in order to do exhaust, alloy wheels and probably even supercharger, I'm guessing you'd have to drain the oil, you're going to have to jack up the car, and these things bolt onto the underside of onto the chassis and give yourself a nice strong box section to not only jack your car up on but also give you somewhere to place your axle stands safely and securely without mangling your pinch welds on your sill. So they're going to be the first mod I'm going to install today. It's just 4 bolts that you basically just unscrew from the car, pop this in place, screw them back up, and then job done. Hello, what are you doing under there? Get me light. Apparently it is possible to do these without jacking up the car. There's the 2 front bolts, I think. Rear ones are down there somewhere. There we go. One there, one there. Right, I'm going to hazard a guess that they're 15mm. Look at that, it's almost as if I looked it up beforehand. I hope these aren't actually holding anything in, because I ain't looked. Remember folks, always read the instructions. These 2 things are different lengths. That'd be why it didn't bolt on at the back. Right, let's try again with the right side. Right, there we go. As usual, second side went on a lot quicker than first side, especially when I get them right way around. So I guess the next step is to take them out in front and give them a test. I don't think there's enough room to get my jack under with that wall over there. So let's give them a try. Right, well that were a bit nerve-wracking, but it's up on 4 stands now. And pretty secure at that too. They do go a lot higher, but I don't think my jack's going to go that high. So yeah, pretty good. I guess now it's up on axle stands. Maybe I should do something else to it.